about trouble do and said we say fan many baby abaya iko. Every morning.
Good morning, Capito. I'm coming here.
Hey.
I'm already here.
Okay.
Any problem?
No.
We thank God.
Amen.
I'm most grateful to the Almighty Father.
Amen.
Yeah.
But I mean can be.
What is the for?
But I mean can be.
What is the for?
Yeah. Minimum do any odi ansa no ba.
Oh my God.
So the way you found set 10 year brofo sem ya ba so na no pay there.
I'm say Michelle no am say abaya yo kwen.
I'm say na was a transfer neja. So we there abrofo yo mu ha ya.
Me ko joy.
Ni e pia we ko na ko preko na dey ka ko dey.
Minty tree.
One tree asoro ko.
Oh lovely. Capito. Sometimes now they
we say about the didi peche.
Madam Bia Bosume so kwagina ketua ne bro for ba say chop your head before your time comes.
Chop your head chouti.
Oh no, we say madam anu che so me dimano. Gavito and that's we the nyamia na no pe na metie a minister pachida for na metie no pa na hwe ma captain utuko baby a wutie ufie honom no edin science na won say can lie bill
na me permita enti me twa ma meter ne buy as bi to akọ prepaid no e buy but before no na me wo esresso no na me tofie no wie no na ayobi your friend say meter no na wo ho na me ka so sa na tie dia before me ban cry no and I'm say wo mo nye meter no na mfa committee wo ngu so mo ye documentation mo de buy no na ye ejasion mimidi / Mr. Sian na me say Papa you ade waje ma wie ye wie ho asem kan ti ade na so ye be ye ho adwuma ni ade dakro mi wo fie sa no be fechire na on be say okay o ma wie bill beba bosumi nsia bill ma and I'm a call station network stress no I'm say bra oh problem no we are where ye ho adwuma honestly me recording no that was the first time that me pesa ade na ye because we share the ade na connect between the problem about me recording no chan video can na me dey no to 1 year bill number let me try meter no pictures na me dey no so go ho tibusum bia na me twa na me dey ato be twa na me dey ato me call my office we be quiet so we are where problem they say unique we are working on it Sweetie 2013 na me be back ran but around February and na me tu fi ho e dey fie no rent here na me call foforo dem but what sana guy no go no catch him say nana I'm serious I'm the bill abo na 12,800
imagine
120 million
120 million 800 na say nipa no the bill no buy we so am say me ne nkasa me tie na some so the way you smafo nti jai na me come office na me fa me recordings name me pictures me sheda ko print here na me ko na o manya new manager hey papa ne dress me ada no minima dia susum na ba mu na yewo na me try papa dem o kase you a radio presenter you people don't want to pay electricity bills and you think when you do that one we also go on the radio kasa ya dem me fine me hwe na mo wie na ka jense wonni mu adwuma bompa opening oba ya no abusa confront commercial manager na bro no call transfer or ha obura papa no office say oh captain your problem we are where yours is a unique problem who solve it after manager ni my your dem say so ho
wunim
3 years
and cry ha say wo hu cutting new sites ni nyina baby a yesi dan mu no bia no wokọ ho no mu nipa e wo ho obi ho no mu a wakotena mfie miensa say bill na maye wadi achiro it's not like won follow up
we dey mad this side the back
ne wo kan menyi wachinye
we dey this side the back
dia na de bae
2011-12 getting on to the elections now man for complaining pass meters in the system so the then energy minister honorable TJ they import almost 6 million pieces of meters so kaya
ne na nko de kopa MP no
mo nya no ho nko awo
ne constituency we say card da ho no
enya constituency won ko awo
wache ma Ghana nyina
eti MPs ne kwa na say constituency they complain so money meters na MPs na throw to the Ministry of Energy no makwaje wo mode no mode ko this would assembly we sorry no akwaje meters every Ministry of Energy no mode ko because I'm for complaining so many meters and assemblies ni bi ni MPs ni bi won wa pair wo electrical engineers and ogumna na mo bo meters ne ko bi nkwa ye adwuma wo ECG o mo bo meters ni bebre almost 6 million meters across the country o mo bo meters ni nyina any ECG system no so nti ECG nim say bia o producing energy ni ma this number of people are but so many beso no na consumption na increase
but omo ntimi track
because any one system no so o mo kwabo meters no yanka kire o mo MC ebi o be share assemblyman no kuta meters by 20 obeto amame ana o se ho na yama meter enu bi na esi owe na ye ka kire say honorable minister say ena won se won pese won betua
so many issue no e doso wo de yen twesi na yen hwe se ebere ben en wonum hye ase se omuntua bills no
1960
se ye tooth en ye wo kan 2012 wo banum ho new meters ni bi en e de problem na be different
honorable nankasa se ebi ni mutua ena me say nature say the first submission nya adwuma
say o muso omuntua because akoso moda o masa ase so
no mutua nature say no nya adwuma ye ne obi o ye adwuma ewo VR oto ho ono okronim
you so manya area agomanya ho
o sanso kirade o se ono a na hwe meter no na watro numbers na ewo so no watwa mfoni grout se media di bi na de ko ECG for some monhwe na mon prepare bill mame eno so mfie bianse ne yema na bill
wohu eniema ni bi wo ho no mo a nipa no ewo se wo ye na dwuma no abonye no wo mu asa anyway wo de wo pa sa EC PDS o se we for no wo mo nko sa new areas no nko ade wo mu a entua it's not like wo mu ntua po wo mu nsanka bill no na wo matua enti so man hwa ntena se anya adwuma na Ghana say na wo se court no sanke di asem tentema enka wo se ye de mpanimfo no court da bia ni e wo so de bill ne ba wan farmer minister wo no kwocheche sa meters no a and this a problem we have want you woni di wona
bebre
wa create a confusion we what in fear
and there be a demonstration you wo ye
yanya wo bi ahwe yanka wo bi ahwe
ya na me defend police for but I think said nra Eastern Region police for na koso manya no your tutu na ka ne kakra me ni ho de matini I still stand to be bia na nya no kre ohiri bia e ko ba bia you don't expect say ohiri nko abenante so okone capacity so hina me kura say me ye chairman po say be musa me ko ba bi in my capacity as a chairman I don't go alone now ohine de domo di na chi e ko MC wo so money MC ko akodi nkobo no mahunu say wo de kan kwa mo say yentua ye betua then yan kan ho asema there was no mo say misunderstanding kakra bi ba ohine ne commander na ntem no wesi ohine na so na me ye bebu na me de me hina chi na pa me hina so ma. You think I forgive you?
Now, what PRO no?
And no wo ba kwadwo nhwe.
Ma me kwa amano so na ye ne engineer Philip Tete Paddy. Or your resident. Ewo Odumase Krom. Mr. Paddy, good morning. Pacho net to say.
Nyame Adom boko na wo so e.
Nyame Adom, yanso ho ye na asem asimu krom we na ma ye ra ho. Issue net to say.
Na ye hu aho. You see, I treat it's not about
Acha online no break kakra call left kakra mame. Aha, call left kakra bium. So yes I'm friend. You know and
Captain PRO no asem o kan ye no kra ne o se nipa no a wawu no omuntumi nkase tuo ne ball no. This year postmortem na na omkwa no wa bleeding to death.
Mpacho omo ti krom ho krobo dumase hoi. We hunu se du ku ada bia akwada wonya 14 years wu. Yey, omo police PRO no. Owo kofodua no we hunu se du ku ada bia akwada wonya 14 years wu okrobo dumase ana.
O si tuo kro omo to ye omo de hwesoro, omo amfa hwefom. Omo anto bia anko ni.
Na ye se o come back to router. Yeah, tutu and I say a tegas and yetu.
Was one to fry. If you saw Moko na youth no near make it omono, a bikita sekai, a bikita near me bet to me a prenipa, or mu pre pro moment no 5.
I mean, and you're right. Mr. Paddy Aquababium.
Yes.
Yes, the line is better now. Please go ahead.
Yes. You know, my tree is not that.
No, me broken tree. Now, now the bro for now.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, go.
You know, Minister say yes, you have bills because Akosombo and Pong is on our land. And you know, correct. We were paying bills all over the years. We were paying bills. You know, you just a bill, but not yet. 2014, from 2014, ECG some upgrade, and then they were bringing huge bills. For me, I have the bills. They brought me 45,000 Ghana cedi bill.
And where you chalwote over here?
So I went to the office to ask them, say, me want more go me house, and I don't even have an AC. So how come bringing 45,000 Ghana cedis bill? So almost say they were not bringing bills all this while. They rectified the system and then they brought 5,000. So I said, what is the basis for this 5,000? Nobody is saying anything. And it's not me alone, the whole town. Sometimes, as you were discussing, an old woman is at our place. Over 2 years now, they have not brought their bill. Yesterday, they came with the police. They said they were coming to disconnect because she was not paying.
2 years without bill.
2 years without bill. Now, the police for no back room or see on Kotia. So, Obisa will say, bill pay now on Kotia. Or see, they should go to the office. They should go to the office and pay. Even if they go to the office, the cost ECG for all year Juma front desk, they don't have regard for us. I'm putting this on record. You can ask anybody in town. So Okoko said, this is the problem with my bill. You know, what are the reasons for this? They start insulting you. They will treat you anyhow. Recently, a woman was assaulted like that. She went there to ask of some of the issues. Now, so she was angry and came home. We have all the records. And then recently, they came with police to come and disconnect. Why? Rectify. We are not saying we will not pay the bills because we have been paying bills until people started saying, "What is a ridiculous bill, no beba?" So you see, more rectify bills, no. We will be paying these ones, rectify these ones, and then you come to town with police, and then you start disconnecting anyhow. It's unfortunate. They have taken us for granted for far too long. How can you bring a house 45,000 cedis Ghana bill? People, some women now on roadside, hairdressers, barbers, all those other people. You are bringing them ridiculous kinds of bills. We met with ECG. They brought a committee to town to come and resolve this issue. We met with ECG. We discussed some way in say rectify bills. No, they are not doing it. Who can or say, office you go to the office to now attending assembly for. And this has been going on for some time now, and we don't like it.
It's not because sir Ebiamon cohort to request for bill. You request for it, but the enfam bremo. The old lady is an example now. Today, you can bring some of your reporters. I will take you to the house. For 2 years now, Oma for bill back. Or cohort say offer. Say office. Then you are coming here to disconnect her. For what fault of hers? Over 2 years. You will wait till you accumulate the bill, and then you bring them, and you want us to go and pay. How? They waited over a period of 2 years, and then they were piling the bills on us to pay. Is it because
okay, let me clarify this. Sometimes recently, from 2018, they said they were bringing correct bills.
Okay.
And because of the old ones are on one rectifying, the people say, look, let's rectify this whilst we will be paying this bit by bit.
Okay.
Some are paying, some are not paying because they said, look, this even the bills you are even bringing without whether we are getting the correct consumption.
Okay.
So some are paying, some are not paying because those backlogs are and then you are coming to town with police. Are we disconnecting everybody with police behind you? The kind of trauma that you are creating. Yesterday, my small boy left my wife, where the incident happened, where the shooting incident happened, my wife's shop is there. I'll send you the pictures. Bullet holes in her billboard.
Hey.
Yes. Bullet holes in her billboard. My small boy is traumatized because of what he saw, a dead body lying on the ground. And then yesterday, the police who you talked to was saying that, you don't know the cause. Maybe somebody. What madness? Excuse my language. I had to rush to go and pick my wife and children from the shop because they were trapped there, shooting everywhere. Why? Are we? What have we done?
Pacho, where
you can talk to my wife.
Okay.
My child decided not to go to school today because he says police found him. I had to use some means to convince him to go. Why?
Where the boy make a crap, man? Who engineer? But we engineer or him, Pacho?
I am engineer with VRA.
VRA.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the engineer party. Thanks for your time.
You're welcome, sir.
I am penchimo we on your bio because when Yama or engineer of VRA.
Exactly.
I think we should get the regional minister back online.
What ya someone or cano? Nature say, near Yasia said that the abetum say or Musso Munchia bills. If a free Nuranino, a demonstration in the chassis, a tutu on the chassis, and your neighbor say, one must say a cushion musuta, the end one massage so, it won't ya bills no. And so nipe free chronosoka saying, oh, near chia. Se bimu kre raise our argument and it's a mayan chia, near chia.
No, many regional minister Casano, Pemibusan say. Sad time or moka say omuntua no mutua regional minister dey consider ani omutua na me say omutua dey na chese anya omofota obi na ama omuntua dey aka no
because imagine what is sika no kura aka ne mu say ye am for
450 million
450 million nipa ba ko ye abono timi fie 450 million air condition kura won yusu bi na me say okofa 450 million bremi a me ko first kan we na dey abrewo I mean near many be near what's what the bill no kwa one fan call. Why not? Wo dear ya wokano. Nipa will cause you problem ni de yenim. I was here to know. Wouldn't be problem and so what? I was here shani a jiji sikano. Kwanya one no dear bosume so a bit yaneka. Ni oti office on bosume so when in send yet ye be a market ya beba. Eti me kwajijo manijio market ya beba ni etwo. So more problem or more mojen cutting. More problem on me who say weni and a toda now kwatena new area beer. Wo bill na emma ji se di be afe emfiem ye no answer. E say minimo minim ni entia wo de men ania sa wonim sa wo system na ntumi nkapche ntumi nyadan ya manipa ne nasumu na emo wo be manipa no adankane en bodam wo se anye ntumi mfa bill no mrew mia nka sa o mamba pa medi akire me vese mitua eno so wo mfa ma na ewia ne de kanu abetu nipa no so because Ghana for ye nka senti
okay ebuchan family nim say who tie me e bia wo the same problem but me pa cho minim say wo crying e bia wo any other part of the country baby I will be a would say me what's our problem maybe over person here but me patch a woman friend me say Mr. Woman friend your person what baby a problem this you know yeah oduma sekro bo hono ne so manyane ne important na wo this particular problem no asem ya kosi wo metu akoto kwada mfie du nan ya praga na o Ghana da achi ne yakuna to pata ye yakunu pata
enka obi adeche wo free
asem na ye kan enkusi he asem when your first time ayakani o my demonstration o my workers o my den ye report ye empanyufo bem ye be hwene aso ano enye ne ya sa be kan wasem asem isi 3 years ni ene yakwa sa be si 3 so
regional minister did ye be ya
enkusi he
I think say nipa o man regional minister information o man wrong information
why
regional minister no
now interview na wo ye no wutie no
metie no
na wutie na ne o kan de na chese obi na di information ma no wo se machia wo mo ye hia wo mo so one na man information
I say me busa say bills no mo de cost so mo de call it means somebody is giving him some information.
He was answering some questions and who say enya wono na na was answer mpo and you don't say
hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Pato Captain Smart name.
Pacho ane.
Me free bon.
Okay.
Yeah. Me pato de ekosu aha no. Ebru ya dwini ye ntiase so. Ye mu bi ye hoho na ye wo pon area. Ya fa ni say ye mpa ye ho asem nti ya ma mo that opportunity a omo ni nam fie to try a line by heart. Because the ekosu no mo pali bill na to one if ye see about more than 2,000. If I never got Konya Sassika, no, and the Omu here, no dear, I was sent penny for moon, sorry, no moon cancer and fire, dear will. And yes, I am movie, you better sacrifice your life for this. Because the person and your cry, and your cry. Said bill never bar, or even you were a new meter, or more berry desire. Billing ba ombeba no ma be child line ya workers ye pama de ye ayeta na ye benya sika no wahia akotie efie de no mo be try enti de omo ye na enya kra.
Okay, me da say yam fani pa for hello, good morning. Hello,
Captain.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Pacho we kasa fi so manya.
Pacho yo kasa.
Captain Pacho, like the issue is as what of I say omucha kadada no because the mobile bank card that was 2014, 15, 16. Mi kojuma anopa and 6 asana maba. Ye nipa 3 never meter nisu. Ma ba kunsu ya madam. Ye yusu fridge. Beba 500 cedis. Na market ya market ya ni only di back or you see one bob need fund ni be beba 300 cedis. Light bill no ni boy di che dai na ye ha ye ko ya na say ye bai mo ni nyame nya juba.
Anyway, hello,
good morning.
Morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Captain, I'm an individual of Active Township, but I'm calling from Accra. I just came to start this morning.
Okay.
Can you imagine if you go back to Kumasi and then your old lady, 35-year-old lady, who doesn't have anything but family, and then one bob in the bedroom, one bob outside, one bob in the hall, so in effect, 3 bobs, and then 1 fan. Then they pile up the bill, and within 6 months, they brought her a bill of 4,200. 42 million.
42 million.
42 million. 4,200.
A fan and a bulb.
Yes, a fan and then three bulbs. 1 bedroom bulb, 1 hall bulb, and then 1 bulb in the porch. Apparently, she's living in the compound with tenants. So we thought maybe somebody doing something. So we went for a meeting for her. So a loan. I repeat, a loan. I personally did that one for her. 4,200. 42 million. Abrewa. Nekanya Bakuma and a fan. Indeed, people are saying, some people are doing the right thing. Okay, 4,200 Abrewa. Captain, 42 million. Let me know 42 million. Let's go back to the old times so that people that wouldn't know what 4,200 is will understand. 42 million blame us. This house to Abrewa Okoya no so. Nanai, be like the me. Captain.
Samna yaw.
They can say me do what the me yaw.
Oh, medium India to me yaw.
Have a blessed morning, my brother.
Thank you, sir. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, make a traffic bomb.
Oh, okay.
Now be been to me every kaka.
Kasa.
Propaganda our dear politics and no about between for 2.5 years. No be on office. last week your number I say on by disconnection. Ubefi kombe no nam sekiji mu na ye do more life na nam ne say okoka almost to half of cow de no obo the cat 3,000 maybe there 2,400 na ka se me wi kete say me ko to half is about 1,002 a me ba ko for hifa
but on na the bill brown na wuntu na sa na yem fa
mo fa bill ne ma on for no mo fa bill mbre because your station on no normal locking the dey chala do no normal locking into ukakotu account me into omo mpeso mutia na omani abre no kware nyame no omukoso manya no mukotu no ma san fa ka back bomb se omo ba to went to more than half yentu me en connect to ebi mu da sun be see na me no kase obi use bob ba akope obeba na ne bill 500 ukom so ye ba rectify obi mita nya adwuma be see na mita ni ntwa no ho be ko ntwa no ho kra omo fa bi ama o ha no de bi about 6,000 meter na ready 1 watt se se na mo kan mpo omo ye de omo pe no mo de bi ne ba na kantin ka for de achi wentu ya ye be bro ana obede sumu obi atua ne light bro not the sumu just because wentu ya more than half be see na me no ka say na captain nko for the sumu sisi a
okay yeah fa hello.
Hello.
Pacholo radio no mami why?
Yo, Captain.
Great. Mami tell.
Me Pacholo friend me bro me me.
Anya he kasa.
Be police one electricity for. But go for money no money dia me o kasa no.
Okay.
Okay. Captain. Ade ba ko ni say. Dia ko so no. Ya. Na onipa ye wu na kai bebe ofi. Jo ya na mu kasa kai. Minister no do kan baku boni omu ba si ya na ma fufu no akosoro no na ma ko kate line no na mo se be where me free meter no ma 30 years ma almost 90 ebedu ene ye tell be sa 2017 ana ten we aba we uko use the office ko like tikiti na akoto ka amu tisifie o di ya bro papa. Iti ya pamocho. Movie na maye. Ba ye bewo ko bodu mashi. Na misra.
So hello morning.
Hello boss, morning.
Pacho mamintiu.
Yeah. Bi no yanka se entiawo. Na bi na mo di bre no. Esusu dodo. Wo be je me so kitu edi. O di 77 no na abre mi.
Say 77 million.
That is not just happy. We no so do. But somewhere who be the young baby. Nanya dia best na tia.
Yeah, funny for. Yeah, hello, good morning.
Yes, sir, Captain. Come to say.
Nyami Adom me ho ye na onso e.
Boko. Pacho. Ya me kan say. Me sell man for me ene that me phone. Obuni ni je ni an brasi e kadada ni na mo famte. E fi se na me TV ho se mi botu no ni ade afeda me raho. Ko bo fo dia ni aye. La du fabra ni ntia mo famba. Na enema hudu bebre na sobe koso ebe ye den na asuje timi aba ama nyema timi akoso. We kan wa ye na nkwa we no. Oh, yes, I know. Not at the Adom in your mouth would be never see what you must from my penny say. Oh, for Cadden in our fight. No one in our fufro as a mine. Why? So,
all right.
For Bonnie and Indian of Brazil and Penny Fono, let someone. If you see a life in one of your baby, yes, me, Eduma. Make a thing in a mirror.
I mean, yeah, see, Daben Pan, you been your mean for callers in the bedroom. So, hello. Morning,
no Captain.
Mpacho mamintiu.
Captain,
the same thing with Dodua.
Dodua should say, almost 5 billion bound about 2,000, 3,000. O coffee, so no come with you. The day with my sounds no more. So, I'm about to know the football, no matter the disconnection. Yes, you won't conform with electrician, you bet not to my back connected. Now, so that I say it's offense. At Yaganamra, now, so don't know smooth from back. Yet 2 years new and buy.
Yamfa nipa foforo. Hello.
Me Oyibi.
Oyibi, who are the same problem Oyibi?
Me what the same problem. This you know and the crown no one farmer. And so me a stroke patient. About ban no, say 400. What me even from the equal Bibia wo madam Mekono be all mammy more than that. I want me warriors. Oh man farm me ko check out for what they have 400. For what reason? Last time me chair me chair you know I mean the kana me order man my contact ambassador obidum jam me meet one ade me call yourself medical oh mama wo di makano eti e face this problem. It's not patient. I'm it's then more better. And last time the same thing. Almost 2 days, 2 months now. 800 a year cities. Are they? Yes, I'm a friend. I'm called out back. No, but TSS canoe. Men do Moka. Master, too much. Thank you.
Okay, Mammy kwa manusna mene then bedi akoba wala the third on a manche wo duma say. Nene good morning.
Morning sir.
Patron to say.
Oh, nyame adom ya sorry.
Patron you. Patron mami musa we answer ya tron komo. Am pasa nra police dey be bo wasum.
Oh, that
okay.
Police ya fare
okay. And then the see nra
and near course on the fair. Anopa, me tiapo. Na minute to bring me. We be yari and na minute to bring. Then me na me tampam. And me subject tapo. Eba me what no should be around 8 o'clock. Oba yes free that side of HFF P1 side. And Abubano Eba me play any party Lomni or Tikusi and a police force 2 and a bullet everywhere it's not just see a play any party. And what I'm saying now and that's you are and she and sorry, na me pa me food. Na nipa no boy a report no. O jamin say, and me say MP. Some can say MP. People show and that's what they be asema e person na me see ni. And also nana so on operation dia. And you on one kasa beko ako investigate ni e ko so answer it to buba yet to abuba na ebewra me side. And I'm going to be casa. In fact, and I'm for that. Actually, you I know, only the clinic I know 10 minutes. After me, yes, I sabi tenado. A fetish, and it's celebration, friend of Nadu. Nothing I'm up for Prince Salem. And it's no more boss actually, you know. Mobile, may fall down, you know. Mobile no with form and I mean Wakata say me almost my suma say my friend MC and the MC at that time assurance say or now Katama go him we equal any Asana yes you are ever good to for us what is like and the formucho omudi omu calm down na tasuma obedience omu kobo no mo ko say like now, so much disconnect, you know. A woman and almost going to be from much of Omuyeti. Now, somebody reporting over. Nyan Kasahi, it's subject. You were subject 18 hour masses. Let's go. Now, Yapo MCU. Personally, I will leave them. Now, personally, I didn't have Kata. Because a Yinakasa sat here. started remanding. The junction. It was straight road from the and the MC throughout. Let me catch MC. Let me panic you. Now, say, subjects, you know, can say, police Puaba, or what you do, Mia, Masum, tear gas, pepper spray, any two, and I'm what you do here. And it's not a higher mania. And I'm saying, you can MC, the echo to me. And to be power choke. So, over to me, I call it when to order. Say, electric bills now or more, you know. And this has them with airban. It is a report to say from 14 to 2017. No, what do you bread? I'm also a victim.
Nana, me pacho, one so bill na the bread no, na the ba every month, and I say a boom and a baba.
Media say no. You should have been cramming. Young reading meter for
13 months.
13.
Wow.
Would you be by a bill? Would you buy it? Nay, 2,800 and something. Now, the family will cut it. We bill on the buy no. I have 4,717. That's the latest bill I saw. And it's a that there, no. 2014 to 2017, no. I just found plenty of edit. I'm verified you, my say, you're authentic. And see, somebody be there. I've been to say, almost 2018, 2019. Now, yeah, correct one. We have nothing. I bet you know. Meanwhile, no problem was 2014, 2017. Fako we na amomunta very bad. Now ya tia authentic beer no. Enti ban is down. MC is halfway back. So what call no. Na obi akani baby I say to no no. Obi poli ho. Let me see you. Nipa na mo bo fili no. Na ka jom so opunko. Na me subject no. Ye beko MC ho personally. Na ya appeal man say. Ye can all alone there. Enjoy because police phone are mobile. All of that with live bullets, which I have evidence. Pepper spray, tear gas, almost two baby. Almost no Monday evening, you know. They have to run shelter. Say, I don't know what Jato. And the MC is about you. Meba or mistake, no, Meba. Now you're transit with my substance, you know. Na yenkana operation no omunja yanta and do further education na amount for NTS there na omunja operation no because yes so mon family no get 14 to 17 no mon family and the entrance na ye further education me ko no me do madam me mo say nipa na mo boss atwene no na do no o ma si kwan no na me kita basket here na edi me compress o no ready for basket here
okay
and me can you ever me say na gas ma and you no dey on far left side no far benu si so pin and they go do madam junction in fact na o ma prop kwan no ka fi no ha ka apo ena repa o mo show when I need my top chief no be SC perform and I make as I man start to see me pom chomi patch so mo man me pam so o mo man me ko and o me man be fine and I pass no ko e and you go do municipal assembly no entrance no na che o ma ni ma o mo che o mo te me do match na me ba me do match na me ba ne and you mo ma e fine na fa ba o mo see there be Mr. ASD Selomi, or any commander no college. Only me very well, Miss Minnie very well. And I'm too officer, men and work animal, enemy subject. And to a moment when we are also there, now what is under street security order? And to a moment, Empire Barcelona inside. And yes, form no. And one of my bodyguards, Me one year by and police is back soon. I don't know when I was because now maybe I don't know when I was trying to prevent them from following me. I was with about 7 people. And you know, Tony Samo and a year said, DNA course. Now, on any police in Iba, black man, black police in Ibi for a last couple. And I'm telling you, I can't tell you, Solomon say, one when you are more, one when you are more.
Pacho, Omo, on a
Yakita to Yakita, minimum info. Any bodyguard for an ayako. Bodyguards no more Kitashi. And he answered that. Is the Omuye. And I'm so Mujano, and that's all I can't observe. On Jan the subject, you know. And you were inside. My friend MC is a Mapa, the person in the veterans in Ekasa. In fact, within a few minutes, you know, a phone, say, Melchiano, Nana do for no, almost free madam, embassy, municipal assembly. Me Ochamino, up when you come catch on Muse, or Mujani, or Mujani, or Moya, or one night, or Mokosu, and I'm watching, you know. Any shouting in Manama.
Pacho, I am passing now a Bukuta. One more watching, and no Mukuta, second Mukuta, India, Kuta Abo.
Oh, actually, in the midst of what was going on, I didn't even study anything. All that I was concerned with, shouldn't now move on. Trying to me say, I didn't study the anything. Omukita Gani, Abubani, whatever have you. Maybe they may be holding it. But me, because at that moment, my mind I had very tense. And you know, I didn't study. And I say, no, me I'm a call, Omunimi, because I'm a Santama, and I'm a born office, the staff of office, you know. And I need to shut it down. And police will say, my own mammy, not get to my safety. Because Abubana Moto, now I'm for change to the police. Wow. And the police will to warning shot. Baby cake, and I'm so. Omo Yabishi, my fault. National may say, Abubano Somapa, Abubano police in it, and only more. They take her to. Omo the body gas to Omo Mamigo, and I'm to me Jimmy, I'm to me. In fact, we put down when and I catch up to me Palmo show. The Omo watch is any almost sunny way, the Palmo show. Almost some come catch your motor. See, everything get down. Now, Bibia or my guy, the Omo Betty person for some time, no. Now, Yen inside the kitchen for the 3 Palmo show, and so about and 3 Palmo, almost Sanko. Omo Tabia homes. Many MC. I will call them back. Now my bed for the BBR. Agreement of the MC. In fact, a whole master that you know. Omo yes say Omo call down. Omo Timasi. Now Abuba amount 42 Buba and they has to confirm. They were 3 at the police. Not I can't tell. Now Buba no crano, I had to dodge it soon. Wow, and Mr. Call, municipal assembly, we call inside. Which MC is not yet cut our phone. So, see, near person, many Mukasa, me no Makata. But see now, if you know, and I must have pressed it by him. And one I put to know, the police for to be it's a warning shot, you know, to be brave. Me, you Katai, Miss Sister back. Mrs. Abakata, welcome the ferry Thomas. Well, he is dead and lying at the Modena. They said to Efane Nichi, everyone in him. And the Thomas is dead. The Momo could start videos. Not because of someone found and Cambodia, Omunjan war, switch in this war. Whatever the police will do with their body, no more. And in the airport in Randy. We almost show almost ample. But now, my phone. From Mampon side, I hear the police phone almost station. Almost have the car, you move it down, huh? Bomunoni, Madame, I was down. And a mum, and you must say, I was up. And she now is about 10 minutes, and she, Abubadi, both left and right. And I was in here captive. come MC new office no one more. And the taxi driver be war. Yeah, you know more. I know about saying it. Near Cosi, Marcho. The Jacan secretly. Limpa police for the show. Now, Omumami Kwanda no back. But your home is about a commander. Now, I almost escorting me and some civil because the next moment, you know, when him in the everything. And they are fast with the Nasemono. And I'm a seafoam. And then be soft in Bago. Almost. And then, you know. And I got Natano. And to what you get in an honor. Almost say, of the staff, no. And she almost police for no man to find it there. Say, young fast room. Going to the college police station. And they go far home. I go far Lumu be a tree or cry. And you be to bypassing. As an among me bedroom, she very for.
Okay, you're regional minister Kasai, and I say. Momwa kase muntria bill because akoso modam lisi mwasase so.
Oh, so me can't you say we can't want that bill because na asem anukwari asem te nyawo kan yi. So we show the damage that has been done to our land forever. Yasa sinya aminu kase mi family land. E shey so na se e shedam na se. Wow. Both for me, I got some good answer. And what year I started to but will be uncasted because of that, you know. Now, report before I first in 2017 on the say. Also, there is an MOU, which was saying, said, yeah, Chabill, no, there was an agree MOU. Say 15 years after the dam was built, you know. Yeah, rate, you know, they will review it. And 15 years after, it has not been reviewed. And if you press MOU, you know. Now, almost repeal the bill because the fact of the matter was now your bill not strong, based on strong, and no, extra marble for fair. The meters should be read every month. Wow. Now, for 2 years, almost 16 meters, 2 years, almost already in my and somebody in my you see, I'm a personal teaching myself. Somebody 2,800 bread after 30 minutes, they didn't read the bill. And the young cat, them is attaching to the entry bills. All we are saying is that Sabe no mudi buy, our mudi lay, Eddie buy, no. They were so huge, say, MOU to Moa. Now, young one, you want MOU, no. Now, say that it is to review the rate being used for a Kobo area, because Kobo for Sati, and shed them Nasi from this into a cartel everywhere. We are casting a Piabi because the unity attack. We are willing to talk about the magnanimity of the mighty is a fair na institution. Our Mudibe. And then I'm so moving.
But I say, no pay me that same Pacho Bibiani and Messafre. Why?
You make that much.
That's Bedia Kuba Walla. To regional minister, meaning baby, I will have some information in free. On him, Oklahoma, so boy.
Na sa captain wa kama minister adia twumse no omutua eti so omo setete no e na enhyehyɛ bi da ho no ma de enti na omo sha asetia sa no
nhyehyɛ no nyese se mo muntua o say after 50 years na so mo review womo we no na still that MOU no mo hu ye
say minister no kan
enti womo hu ye enti nya ade a womo review but one problem in so no ankasa no 13 months ni na the bill mada
o hene no so
no enti free 2013 ebe si 2017 and our carbon na wabre no so 4,200 42,000
o hene dey 42,000
so untua no say okofas kan wa he umra me bill. And then you go there and you shoot and you kill innocent person.
Kabito.
I mean, with all respect, you see,
did they go there with the police?
PDS who said.
PDS.
One abaji
ECG.
So who shot who?
It's the police that shot the guy. Now one money penny bill. Bami has also 72 years. One money bill are 2 years. Now I call man 4,500. Same film you don't know bill ni. How dear how honorable.
Captain away sadie we wo hu ye beye wo dey sa new site na make no ye nheda nye hu ayi na ye nhwe nipa omo areas abin say bills na nko
ma catch mo me say ade bi obe say politician so you kro mu kwan you o ma wunsuo enye wo na oya aboa wo owode nti a oye enye ye nti na omoye oye for no any personal reasons bi nti na omoye sa anema na teta omaye nanka a whole energy ministry wo kra meters ebegu Ghana na MP here meter na wa tro letter call energy ministry no wa kwaji bi na MC ya kwaji bi assembly members kra no mbo meters okrum ha IECG phone any records by ECG phone by a press conference by catch and say there are political meters in the system. Me
say minister no our chair say minister meters no way. So
Otenje so meters in the so
ye hwehwem we kapito ma me mo daily graphic ni we so tell na ye nkona honorable mo ento aso abusia na sa wo fa daily graphic na wo ba kratafan ye dikane a ye say 50 directors bans ye gugu ye MPP abayi ba ye mbanimfo ye sa wo hwehwem bans ahuro bi wo hono ma ne mantwa ye no directors maako aduonum en ye hu sa wadwuma ya aboye no entwa ye na bans ahoro no so no ye say bank bi ti say Unibank say wonum director ya no oda no empanimfo di ni kogina court UT Bank director ya no oda no ka ho Capital Bank ka ho
so ma me ye be samba na ye ne Nana Adom Tetebo Ghana Electrical Contractors Association president. Nana, good morning.
Good morning.
Nampa to say
nyame adumo ne mo paipo
Nana de ekoso manya krobo ni so manya ne mpotame ma me musaw den etimi sima beba se mfie mienu mfie miensa me wo mita nso yamra me bill
negligence simply that
negligence
se
eba ne sa me na me yetimamuni ya de sa bill na brema no menya dan
ne tata wo ye ne se woni ECG4 and not PDS4 motena se na wo kire wo se deal a wo dia breme se se ye intimentia manebre simple negotiation we enyan topa kokora ni pa de wo bill ho
Nana sa political meters ni ade minim say electrical Ghana Electrical Contractors na mo wokrum ha mo na mo boy ya na say afihin na bae may that the history of this whole thing
me that's degree mama di kan share what you for where from so here tie political meters ni na meters na wo Ghana ha Ministry of Energy advisory board member if we say meters bi akwa ankoyi enye ye mbreso ayeso in nemom te NCB muntino ye say those political meters and our meters are enfa usage and our PPS system nunu and say ye member bia boss meter no enti ya share more than ya catch members na ni atwam no entwam nko free ECD nya area code yen customize meter ya and set association member bia use that meter ne bomu bia
na sa beto aso no ebi da wo system ni mu ana
me pa so de do system mba
esi ya ebi da ho
e da so ho
pa cho to aso
me say nti ye hwese ye bebo ho ban ne mom se mentina ho afidi efa meter ho a sesan ke ti metina fe na ye toto ototo de se den kra na e basic ben kuruma ma twen ahia na mom ne e ko se te ni de entwa yi se ni pabewu se mitenti ye me bre ho ma koso a entwa yi bi de se ni na ka ho na ye se ye firi ECD ye de aba PDS no me se ye ba PDS a ni bi de se okwan won fa so ati won sika na ye se won mo de akoma kan sombi enye jidiye ana basa yeso crop my enye ni pa won ye basa na mo meter dia na nkasa na meter consumption adie bia se wo ye na se wan te wo ho asepe wo ye wo ho sania won ti apie message bebre bills no e pa ye nyina ho se wo no ma ya so na meka ye fault ebi won so enye fault ebi wa consume ade no so on tin wa say bus nyina ba boom sa for so many years ebi enya won bills ya ni be fie no me stress e ye ma do brew emra na obi ante na ho ase na mo ye kroi emma ne say mitenti ana bilenti ye kuni po
na sa political meters minim say 2011-12 mu ho na buy say same grade e wo ho isu so dada ne bi na academy ana no afiri hin na sa me fresh system nim
no kwasem say bu wo ko ba bi kura na a SHEP project, self-help electrification project meters.
Okay.
Yam famba urban areas. That meters in yana called rural areas for rural electrification. But when you be na yenyanum kroya akodibi. Say me mama meters. I'm paying ambassador so ba ko bon. Say ko meters na na use job capture. But the end matter. The politicians here. Ebi your system no.
At that time, the buy any no the also say na self-help project ne be meters.
That is here.
And it's me free system nim free ministry ho. Na it
be free. There be a design it and can kono. Na ya divert be. But ya main charge say ya Mankasim area ho. Ya ko ya juma bi wo ho. Ya limited be by. But this time no empty work here say Pambra, but a 5 ECG system no man some my contract so about meters no. Did you say you na more kwa kaka?
Na first the na self help the ni na no enya the 5 ECG system nim.
No cry ni e tell me say contract no ha ko bo ansa na ya kaka ECG for say won ko capture. It e bo no wo mu hu bi.
Na when na massa instruction no.
No question say political meters na kasa no. Yen ni o man so say nsubon say MPP kitabi. Me dey come in first waso. Me did say a year ago many ECG regional manager Knase. My you know say we still rating Knase say yeah ma obia contract bia ida meter ni free here yeah ma obia emmo. I think say yes and a boa we still rating from be kakra.
Nana etoda obi asidan awie meter ye mu ye beboa ECG ana se PDS so wan ya waba fufuru ya na wetibe generate wo revenue nipa bedi ekire die onya meter de bi whatever
aya ho metisam kakra anka masimi de awie ma me meter na me ntia wo ka na jiwu sika o produce electricity a ultimate install. It's bra na me chia tika when sometimes also change. And sister, me akwa ne say meters na short system no, but I think there are programs online and to be on meters and the fa will be and meters am will be as one margin.
Some meters here ko nkrasi meje de ye se enye kroboni me lower menya ho nko na sa problem o meje de se nkrasi bebre bi fa ho gomwa area mu ho part of Ashanti region bosom trade district nim eba fa ajusu dwaben some villages near there it was all over the place anya bia no mbetimi akapcha ni nyina
no kwasem say bribie ni wono ma eyeden say odi ope ene akoma paya say meters no ya install na say EC PDS for your margin so on the cop and now nyankrofo say yenko apron hwe sandwiches nyina na you see how you cry sha send that bro you bet me I capture all those meters am I call through the system ama you when you billing na sa na ma we na ensi biem kra
ebetime jai
no cry ebetime jai
ampa
o pepa wo ho a ECD na PDS enye won kwa no betumi aye Ghana fo nyina se no kwafo ma ye ho o ye bo mita ma me wa ha sei bebe say 2 years ni me nya bill here na wo akọ be ye be che won soso a e ma penalty no wa kan ntiase mu oh when no kura ma ye ne say nti penalty na su jane kakra me gidi say sabites ni nyina no PDS to obo ase aye ne man kakra senior sabites ni nyina will be captured. That one I'll show you.
Say there was system in me. better than the PDS bet me who say energy ministry no import this number of meters for self-help project said a beya PDS so bet me di achire na ne bono achire bi ansa nkofa ha we ya bi ama
sana montuno e de kaya kodida it's a meters the water system and the prepaid system and non-prepaid system in no almost go through systems more master obi akobo meter yen capture that meter ne for example the fancy reading fencing mankesim ye example mankesim soldier area ho nyina no meters e nyina no far through the ECG system and a PDS system no answer na ye born meters although politically motivated to get that meters no but it's gone through the system ye nyina fast plan also both PDS Ministry of Energy and the contractors ye nyina aware say the fast system now the capital say all
right, Pacho Mamenda was BBS Meton Safrel. Nana Adom Tetebo, Ghana Electrical Contractors Association President. I didn't know if he said Econo, say that was system name. William Boateng, your head of communications, my PDS. William morning.
Good morning, Captain Amicia. You are careful now.
I'll be able to call you.
There be a number.
Okay. Ya bebe no so na political meters na how ben dey abramo.
Oh, dey how papa previous company no dia ya konto kwa na say ya kan want na say unim say na ya dia politics. Afini the small ba be election na obia bekita. Na meka obri ya dia ombi wini votes no. Omo fan fire system mu ma yen kanta. Nti ye be ye election be wi no na be hwe wuchi na ya bo be ye nkrunku be ye se o hane ade atwum na won ye de share won ta wata de ma won assembly men ya de no so aso afita akuru na de ya ba e bia kesi be bia kumasi be bia enka no ba da bo udada no nti chance of the catch on say me also be to the next house and I'm a high down baby. Now if you write this down so reality to be because they labor. Now impression you're created to them you're so inefficient there you double bit into me for building back. It's a higher bar and now I have to son.
Patro some meters no why na net deba.
Oh some meters near our abaya you never be a fair shadow so abaya no so our responsibility say obe edwa mine nti the one I shot you know abaya no decided to go a development kakanka no it's a so bomb and the cofa self-help electrification project na buy I virtually free you know so you do cool one me ade ade no abeka abaya me ya grant e buchiri na o ma be ye amai na samre shot here then your political papa you na o me the car you person be do a warehouse contractors in the fire on mapa na ya be education market ya be education ya capture you mo bia answer ya double you do baby na fe Jesus na fe no mo ye no na but ya the papa I boy me no ka say sub-Saharan Africa they are one of the best in terms of accessibility. In fact, he is second to South Africa in terms of electricity accessibility because of Sahara project. Yeah, they shot in Ghana. They now 800.
That's say Ministry of Energy and krade bana ye ko boy momo mane na criticize problem na mamo.
We are the body ko ba ya the papa dey na face na dey dey into na face into nya data no on time na just say afra system no na esa so mo fan share yen crofo nta ana nipa between any na di income contractors no ka boys be say be dey contractor na nkata o je adwuma no boys na asesa no dey wura ko kesia ya wallet no dey akofra na fi wasiko na this how
okay, but you need Nana Adom Tetebo Ghana Electrical Contractors Association President in the Kasano. Also, based in the bid our system. egusu create problem no
ya juma kese wo ba we dia esan say bibi on kita record data on to be track bibi e no kra say e be wo bi go system ni mo because o ma na e dia aba na fi ya papo ko mu area wo nyina akoshe te be depending ya o side be dia ko share wan kan chen na a chance you but is amin child be dia do PGS dia ya di secure technology ya ba dia de you know ya ba shacking na manufacturer.
Eti se eba ne saa kwan be so mo fa so amoji musika mo kwaji bom ana se mo ye ne sen
oh ya ne saa eba ne saa be catch us in Anita we we ya illegal nya de se ba no achichi o mi me be hide and be yes okay ye be disconnect na bra na ye regularize nti ba na regularize na ye dey setting up they are sharing near every because I'm running my own so what consume one and the same thing. Now you decide you need to understand if you are around here the couple the country that I put to the can only happen now why it's here you to spread it they are true but yeah we understand and so your current bill and son and yeah can I move on ya chichimo no trying kakan but I na confusion is of who break it down as a piano installment the current bill on consumer as I said will be answer not just about our community a house challenge kakao but yes spread it yes yes baba because your system you need senior income levels there you need senior system now as it you know your boy na ya reconcile na because we are big issues by so much what they are doing the 2 years long because
teno eye mo na mo anya mo adwuma yie ana say your ministry na ebo meters na wanya adwuma yie na manfo no mo bre
oh I said yeah some chum bia yeah obi a be so the blame man over yes say you call you no you na you say nya de be boy in fact fortunately for us you still our yes no the director of distribution the ministry it's no omo wo you system me nyama to kwan ma you call you no nyama we no that you of the past
it's one wa akachiri media metimi fie me pemi meter MPC menye bi ama ho assemblyman meter ni bi ho ye de aba ya bebo ne bam ya connect me media de minim ni say ya ma mekane de bosomoso asese metua ka metie kura ase kane no bill ne ma eno no sa no den na menye
I don't know report to my because the idea what can you be a nearby district of it home you won't go for cry and cracking the idea you go for cry can mine who catch you no bet you baby a talk who be report to my I think the one more can be on your money be and once you the band ya capture ya concern na you to me I can't say energy na ya top na ese de kutu aka no let me tu aka nti why papa you need the G why sam
tiano mo yede na mutumi ya calculation no
so baba no meter na ready a few times e be meter na say and no ya share na ye yefu because yes obeko we nche na obeko we tell and fiai na di pa be no fiai obu no be high na ifra enti obabi otumi twagu na ya hwe na ye ko ye enti bia ye de we to mo na ya hwe because meter na ready ko a e be ma ya calculation dey no e be ma number sin ade be ye adwuma no na wa calculate time for the sun bia na fi wa hwe ye nche da fam bu do be ko so because obeko so no say time for you progressive the more I consume, the more no sanity. You know, we call it happen. The Shan monthly the between 100 year breaking. They are sorry said, yeah, Pura Tanti and Yama, Yambo, Yakana, and Chenate, punish you and enter. But you not be what you on Chassis, I can't watch any account, and spreading. I want to know the woman not and yes, car, my body, and we consume about family to be here. You to make pencils are now. Can you now you're ready and back but case the brand minimum about 90% you find the person will regularize we are calling no channel can resolve
it's not just a really no and ya man for no from swa
David yan cash America credit na you say you be no from so you want omunim otiko kesi mu kumase when you send your limit and ben on your juma will you see na atwom no the PDS one call your office Utia no le dai de babo ma ho odi se bi lemba e na Ghana obi ani say you use water free you use electricity free you use telecommunication na and there's a phone free and you wouldn't be a question that you are saying what I only say now you know a young so and tell about when
and to sign it said a ban send a fair police for come am I 2 to bebony or Benya Crobo.
David. Many crop issue be different from your discuss because and say you didn't have from any sanity.
But I know your issue, Benya.
Your issue, I shall say that 2017 and deals the Saturday new system data be a capture customers on the bills near this. You improve technology by CMS. Now, yes, starting that the BR shall that intelligence. And yeah, the whole Ghana. If you bills need be a cost from Washu, yeah, I sank a 500 Ghana control 5,000. And now, who into town with you. If you're home, you go by and you could shoot you. So, say, I didn't go to your home, never into no mumra one by a shama manaya.
Mamentia say you know what so Muankasa Fidia Mokofa Samode Bay Jumano. The SSA tro 5 cities, not tro 5,000, SSA tro ABA 500 and Asan Quatro 5,000. Sana Opatre.
Yes, implement every new system Biana. Once it's on starting to quite swear, Ubina a certain high margin of error.
And man, what training?
Who could training? Oh, now there your mouth for now, which you are driving down. A cancer of that. The Cassie error, just say you say, Bibia, you know, margin of error be unacceptable because of course, you do not need to so be in 3.5 million. Now we have 2,000. I also because that's the cost.
Okay, and a year.
And you started here on one. And your brother starting on kind, yeah, we have to talk about a church, you do baby, no, like not. In fact, one assemblyman or starting an announcement to be in reality today. Because on one case, I'm not all year, your friend of the I'm not all year, your friends, blocks, the Juma. Now, commercial also, it was definitely. Or decided to change, or didn't have fry. And was starting here, come to move here, idea now. And you know, come on, agreement. Did you letter break? You know, to your mouth, copy your also. In fact, the Kobo Foundation, the youth group of from the other but he was like an above city. Say, legacy agreement to be with the first president of the Republic, or Casimo Mutuality. It's, you know, young suspended answer, my electricity, the young Cassim. You should never be any conditions of the young Cassan, you call back. You know what I say? You know what to be accepted. Here, Jumara, if you call me a code, you get the tree, I could discover now. One idea about attack here, okay. I'm a sheep, police car, I just say, so manano. You know, I don't know, I say this, I think, by about 2 years ago. If you're suspending every disconnection with Kubo, as I say, the person at the peace panel, I must all be standing in a now. Yes, town hall meetings, upon meetings.
But I know what the bills and the call.
Now to me, go redeem it. That is the issue.
Many one engineer, Philip Tetepadi, or a Volta River Authority engineer, or that was a or Juma. Or sim. Sa issue said Nanko for Kunto Kwan at the end of the redeemiters. No, it's neither here nor there. He has brought us a copy of his bill. Or Pacha say, Womo buy na munya sa problem na mo ankasa na mo kofa mo fidie ba ye fidie no bedi mu hwam no. Mo bring a bill of 45,000 plus. Ono ankasa as an engineer with VRE. Ecomo office was say, this is abnormal. May 2016. So monfa bill no mon review bill no mo kasa mo beye. O se mo je no mo system nankasa a review ade no e de call 5,000. Then he went back to ask them say, how can I consume 5,000 worth of electricity power? Just 1 month. Me ye adwuma ni bi me ni mu bi. Me use AC ni ade. And almost o mo beye ho adwuma. Enti no all the on corner bills de beba. I say from that time up until Bear Bosumi Bakunieno, no Biam Fabil and Brennan from 2016. Bear 1 month ago, Yano, but the 3 years bill, Abomudia Brennan say Untria. And you know, what's our problem? No, or say, maybe so one in Champion, 72-year-old woman. Or no, so the bill 2 years, am I? Now, Amudia Bomudia Quakomano. And so more patches say it has nothing to do with the issue, say, Kwame Nkrumah, agreement with many regional ministers who didn't command or pay or catch them say, and no more TB, sir, more cho Hokata said, you're okay. The name actually be Mutia, now Butia, and to say,
Ebintia, Yabutra, Obian, you care about the youth and not on attacking. Now, I'm say, you're dining, Emma, you know, Mutra, and I'm seeing your core education. Complain somebody by, in fact, I'm going to look at your car, I'm going to pay for. Yes, you found. Because I'm saying, yes, you sound when you ask this manager. And you said, in fact, almost can't say, then your chromosomes, yes, customer service said to be more crossing and here. And I started to jam you, this 70%. Story bed, oh, yeah, so if you see, I see that. If you are your baby, you're better to get on, you're not quite a year, you know. It will be all isolated case, yeah, a different for getting there, but yeah, word you must. Because I know what my buy, you know, one or 2 hour review.
Okay.
And
yeah, isolated case. You know, here now,
you are not getting that. Can say, would you believe you are in a debate? Maybe can't say, that is a bit by correct. I answer the money says, I'm not consuming. And too many issues, no different. But the child says, so come here. Now, how we and the man, baby, man, you come to me, Jumano. And I have been PDS. Yabil and I have Bastel, the Lucia. Who shall be on your baby? And the individual issue, the banner, who can say, okay, what you say, the obviously, Matriawi and Irish Shadomania, and Tokoni. Because Yanka Sankatano, you disconnected. Yes, about the so, and I use one for DNA, BBR resources. And why? It's a last resort as a customer-oriented company, no? They decide to see what one is.
Sympathy and run no more quiet day, no Bible, and run no more quiet day.
Yes, that's with me, and you're not one. They are caught down. Promise yourself, doors. If you're caught, I'm going to show my idea. Can have a catch on? Maybe about willingly. You better my figures. One battle of the chair. No, I'm saying you need to manage to disconnect or disconnected. We'll be a corner of the chair. You know, I get you then with Chiania. Yeah, you do that. This is my mom. You to remind you. No, you diabetes, you don't go in the road.
But I need a dabaya.
I see periods of the I did Friday, you Monday, and when it's a Monday, incident church.
3 months ago.
Almost 1 year. No more place at my mouth.
But 3 months ago, and me person who at Embreno. Maybe said, and Tambena Ocasa now, Mamma one in some backroom hobium. I will can't say you to no catch up. If you see long finding somebody round, see a down, because I need a down. And the way, unfortunate idea is because maybe I'm a car. Young girl, who disciples on the mouth, background, young girl, maybe on back as a man, but you hope to say you're quiet, you know. I'm free me, a Juma, one more money, and you don't be free to be a door. Near Chiacadeba on the year, they don't see any education, yes, you do so many years, which means, yeah, there's a education of the year of kind. That time you're not because I'm seeing education, Nancy Assembly. And you know, I started out later because all more advice for me, the moment she has any education, now you ain't chat as yet, yeah, you're doing cautious because I'm not my back. But your individuals who say no more agreement, or shot, you have to be called under an umbrella said, Kobe Youth Foundation. That's from Casamu, anyone who put out there was only a business 101. But only I didn't the back under one, teaching another founder event. But was I youth at Sa Krobo Youth Association and Development Eben, Mushia Omo.
Oh, Bisa, Opa, Bisa, oh, yeah, Shao. Yeah, education, you shall try and let me reply. None, Bisa, no more free meeting, your copal so, your co assembly. Yes, I'm from some of the Swani, I movie staff, no, only the only few community. omo ma yele so ni yi omu nyina ya bend backwards ya try but I be like okay yeah hope this year and I be like this is the same machine here me the new bia country it is just unfortunate nipa kakadian said acha yeduma na ejemi stand am we nyina we see the way forward now ya resolve because customer oriented the customer is always right me jam like I said asem dey see no ya wo mo fun so ntia nkata you know me share empire for your best friend and na security wo ya traffic ya can't tell you don't put your banner on be sure but the current woman say yeah private company you found you know and yeah the value count here ton
all right
about the tia omoka you to be answer with the whole country
mama now
to me say the quality omun tia na so mon tia you to me konisa but that tia bo you dey share omo bio you dey say engagement video na tia share ma PDS aba ya le hwede retu ya on ya so
mama now ase William Boateng ye be sa ka se tre me dan me ho ababusu me ba ye be to aso